Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been quite some time. I haven't uploaded in a long time. But yeah, I promised on my Instagram I would upload a video here. So we're out here in the Jeep trail hawk here. And we're just gonna do some exploring, and I'm gonna take you guys to a cool little spot that I know. And we're gonna trek up this hill here down this trail that I found, our logging road. But yeah, so we're just chilling, and let's get it started. Alrighty, so kind of made it halfway up this hill. It's gonna take her easy here. There we go. Bit of a steep one here. Take it nice and slow. Keep momentum going. There we go. We'll probably end up coming back down this way. So we do have the rear lockers engaged, just to give us that extra push to get up this freaking hill. And we got her in 4 low currently. This thing honestly surprises me. So this is the cool thing about exploring in BC, is you really never know really some of these trails freaking go. We're in the bottom of Mount Washington. I think this is honestly just going to lead to a dead end, but this is kind of a cool area I just found. I don't know, just kind of a little pond area. That's cool. Alright, there's the hog. We're just fucking way up on some cliff here. So we're gonna head back down, and I'm gonna go to the river crossing now. Unable to pull out the drone here because it's a little foggy, so I'm gonna wait till we go back down that big hill that we climbed, and I'll pull out the drone. I only got like a little bit of battery left in the controller, unfortunately. So yeah, it's fun. But this thing's handles its own, man. This thing is it's really fun off-road. On-road it's boring as fuck, but when you're out here, you're having a good time. And it's got full-on skid plates all underneath, so try not to drop my camera here. Yeah, she's fairly deep, kind of. Made it around. We'll set up the camera on the other side, maybe. Then you got the drone. go down there. Just gonna tuck the camera back in. Hopefully it's gonna make the turn. This is why I like this Jeep. Like it just. We gonna make it? Oh yeah, we made it. So there's a little less water than there was last time actually. Last time I came here it was just packed with water. There was so much, I wasn't sure if I was gonna cross it or not. So, but today I think we're looking fairly decent here. Really nice out. It was covered with salmon the last time. Like it was, yeah, it was really nice. Well, here we are. Just kind of made it down that way. This is the little crossing. My little spot. And the river kind of just goes more up that way. It's cool. It's amazing what I couldn't do with the charger. And now that I could, and now I got this thing, I've never been out to these areas before. Alright guys, so I had some fun. Got the Jeeps wet and went through some cool puddles, so I haven't really done anything too crazy with this thing. You know, this is kind of a family off-road whip, so when it snows we'll do some snow videos with it and everything else. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the content that I gave you guys today. Sorry for the lack of uploads for like literally the entire summer and a month, but whatever, we're still making videos. So anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, and see you guys later. Peace.